What's up, guys? Out here gonna live it up. I know some of you guys can't go on adventures, so I'll be your legs, your eyes, and your ears. Take an adventure. Go in this tunnel. It's King's Hollow Tunnel. Supposedly haunted. I'm not sure. We'll check it out though. Want to teleport in there? Ready, set, teleport. We're back, guys. Going inside this tunnel here. See if anybody's around. Check this out. What's that? You guys want to go up there? Teleport up there. Ready, set, teleport. Now we're in here, guys. You guys see anything in there? Want to teleport out of there? Ready, set, teleport. Ooh, now we're back in here. Check it out, guys. This will probably be a short video. I'm going here and see if we can see what's in here. See if anybody's home. If you guys see or hear anything, let me know. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you guys like these kind of videos. I've got some other ones. Some haunted factory. Got haunted. I've done a couple of them. Haunted cemetery and funeral home. But in the meantime, let's go check this out. Ready? Anybody in here? Hello? I got this device here. I can see you with it. I can hear you with it. Let's take a walk through here, guys. These walls. Ceiling. Guys, hear anything? Let me know. You see anything? That was me, guys, walking on some ice. It's cold out. It's cold out here. Like I said, this ain't gonna be a real long video. It's gonna be a short one. I gotta turn my light back around. I can't see. Yep, King's Hollow Tunnel, Ohio. Getting muddy here, guys. Whoa, real muddy. Got a board right here to step on. Step on it. I think I'm going to teleport to over there. Ready, set, teleport. Teleport. And we're back, guys. Teleport from over there. Missed all this stuff here. Teleport right over that. Just walking this tunnel. Guys, let me know if you see anything, like I said. But all in all, just wanted to show you guys a cool tunnel. Quick little video. Check it out, guys. Wow, check that out. Well, hope you guys like this little short video. Like I said, I got some other videos. The channel's called Live It Up. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna do some more videos here in a little while. Till then, see ya.